we're back with Rooster.
Hello.
On
Star Wars.
Force Awakens Lego version.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
Let's see. Now you gotta press.
Okay.
Resume.
I'm in.
Oh yeah, you're not the Millennium Falcon, but you're that other.
X-Wing.
Oh my god!
Popping him. And
Popping and locking. Ah! If you guys have seen the last episode, we're on Return of the Jedi and we're trying to attack the Death Star, the second Death Star. Rooster was not in the second one, but he's joining us today as my partner.
Ready for duty.
This is so freaking hard to control and shoot.
I don't think there's an X-Wing with them in the movie. Now there is.
Oh, we've made it. No, there was like a whole group of them, right? I don't know. I forgot.
I don't remember.
Dude, can't we destroy that thing behind us? It's like destroying us.
Oh, I already blew up this.
Dude, that thing is like blocking my view. I can't do this.
Oh, and I like crashed it for a time.
Oh, that Death Star thing behind us got destroyed. What is that?
Oh, that's the best part. Shield generators.
Oh yeah, the shield generator. See, that's not. This is so weird. Dude, look on my screen. No.
We're doing it.
This is split screen, which is awesome. I'm the one where you can see Lando and no. He is the one where you can see the X-Wing. What are we doing now? Oh wait, we gotta destroy these enemies.
Oh.
I'm shooting at you.
Oh, we have to collect a proton torpedo.
Do you know? Oh, we have to destroy so much stuff.
Destroy pink Lego parts and you'll get a proton missile. I think I got one.
Oh yeah, you got one of them. Destroy that thing. I'm looking on your screen.
Oh, crap. I don't know how to shoot him.
What are we shooting at? What did you shoot at to do that first thing?
We're shooting at these yellow things.
What yellow
Shoot
thing?
at the middle. Shoot the middle, see those blocks, and they'll get you. Oh, I know what we're doing now.
Oh, I destroyed one of them. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Holy!
Good thing we didn't have to fly on that.
Yeah, see? Now I know.
Battlefront.
Yeah! Why was there a...
Luke.
Luke didn't have a space mask on. How did he not die?
The Force is with him.
Hopefully the Force is with him. What? Hi, Anakin. Hi, Darth Vader. Hi, Yoda. I love you, Yoda.
Obi-Wan was there.
Yeah.
The great and powerful Obi-Wan.
We beat the Battle of Endor.
Replay unlocked.
No, we're not gonna free play.
Let's do the next mission.
Next mission. Up next. True
Skip.
Jedi. Are you a true Jedi? Let's skip.
Just keep hitting skip.
let's go. I don't care.
Continue.
Continue story! Now it's the Star Wars Force Awakens.
30 years later.
You said that so late. I forgot his name, do you know?
Poe.
Yeah, Poe.
Whoa, there you are. Glad you made it back in one piece. There's no time for that now. Now there's no time to get comfy. Another mission has come in. It's high priority. We need you to get to Jocko ASAP. Like some global intelligence. We'll brief you on that. Never stops talking.
Do I get to be BB-8? Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, you're so lucky. I'm Poe, though.
I'm Polar.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, the puns.
But no man, I don't like you. Oh,
I was getting the studs, dude.
I want to be C. I want to be 3CPO. Please.
Do I get C-3PO?
After you have successfully completed your assignment, perhaps you could return to me. I would dearly like to revisit my pivotal role in the rescue of Admiral Madman.
Let me become you. Collect gold bricks through the Force Awakens to explore new Star Wars adventures. So yeah, we can do new Star Wars adventures once we collect them.
Look, I can jump.
Can you taser?
No.
Okay, let's follow these blue things.
But when I look at them, they do something. They salute.
Dude, you're so much faster than I am. But dude, they salute at me. Watch.
What do they do?
Yeah. Watch. Watch this guy. See?
You sure? See?
Like, press the gun button. Dude, what's his problem?
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, we can build it back. What are we doing? Like, I can't press any buttons. So now I can. Can you activate that thing for me? Dude. Broken.
Oh, I did?
Yes. Now lift me up. Wait, how about you get on it and I'll lift you up?
I'm on.
Oh, what did you... Dude, interact with it. Ollie!
Oh no!
You fell
I'm
off.
supposed to do
You're
that.
kidding.
I'm supposed to do that. Now I got it. I'm here.
What about me? Okay, you just gotta keep turning it until you get the right thing.
Oh yeah.
Now it's me. I'm gonna get down. Why did that dude have to break the staircase?
Thanks, BB-8.
Thanks.
No problem.
I think I get to fly. Yes. Continue the story. Your baby. You get no space helmet. Oh yeah, we're going to Jakku. Jakku. Select. For one, assault on Jakku.
Oh, this is the best part.
Yeah. haven't seen the movie yet, go check it out. Star Wars Force Awakens is a really good movie if you like the Star Wars series. Chapter 1, the movie. You can say that.
Assault on Jakku.
Luke Skywalker has vanished in his absence. The sinister First Order has risen from the ashes of the Empire and will not rest until Skywalker, the last Jedi, has been destroyed. With the support of the Republic, General Leia Organa leads a brave resistance. She is desperate to find her brother Luke and gain his help in restoring peace and justice to the galaxy. Now the resistance has received word from one of their allies that he has obtained vital data which could aid them in their cause. Poe Dameron, the resistance finest pilot, is immediately sent to help. Bum, bum, bum.
I think we're going into the first scene of The Force Awakens.
Yeah. Where everything happens. I don't want to spoil. I'm not going to spoil.
Skip.
No. Dude, you gotta see the story. The best part.
There's no more words.
I know.
So now I just get to see this.
Which is awesome.
Let's go.
Come on, Star Wars. Oh, I know this part. Which one do you think is the good one? That guy back there? The guy who just dropped the gun?
I think that might be Finn.
Yeah, I think Finn is him.
Still, people say they can tell who Finn is because he holds his gun a certain way. But I don't know, man.
You just knocked someone over. Great job. Meanie.
I'm gonna get a gold brick for that.
Without the Jedi, there can't be no balance in the truth.
What's that guy looking at?
Well, the issue is all. You have to hide.
That's Run. Don't get too far away, it splits the screen.
Oh shoot.
Crap, I gotta destroy him.
Oh, I can run into him.
Oh, yes, you can. No, don't hit that. I think it gives us a hint. We don't want no hint. Hints are boring. Well, at least boring for the people. I wouldn't want to watch someone getting hints. Is that a scorpion? Oh.
I'm too lazy to walk.
You're cute. That's you. You gotta destroy that thing. I wanna ride on the channel.
How do I do this?
You gotta push it. Push it and like stop in the middle. You gotta keep going. Push stop.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's an awesome staircase. They say you're able to build. Oh, maybe. Can I ride this thing? That's the biggest droid I've ever seen. Dude, look at the ostrich thing. It's like bugged out.
There's still that other cache right near his hut. Can you check it out?
What happened to the ostrich? I'm stuck under the stairs. Get a bunch of money from this.
Oh, I can't hit stuff.
Why is she just doing this?
A brick. You ordered this. I wonder if
What do we get? I don't know yet.
Now we gotta switch up the thief. I need loot to destroy that thing.
We need both weapon caches. I think we have to get this.
I don't know how I just did that. Jam! Foot jam!
That should be enough bricks to build a couple of different devices if you need to.
Oh. Oh yeah, this is your turn. Gotta do this. I get up there.
You can reuse those bricks if you break apart that device you just built.
Oh, I gotta break apart this device. Set. No, I don't want to build over there.
We got to turn it all the way.
I am. Destroy him. Kill him. Rotate. You gotta do that puzzle. I'm gonna ride my pony.
I'm so bad at this.
Great. Thanks.
That's what that
You
thing
find
was.
a hidden switch in there? I'll be honest, I'm totally fixed about where it is.
I hate that thing. It's so freaking awesome. Little things that matter. Your turn. You gotta do that. This is why we have teamwork. Oh, you're not good at these. Do it how you did it the first time. But you did. Why don't they just waste all the ammo? Well, is there really ammo?
I think it's infinite.
Let's kick some.
But
Well, no, didn't Leia say something else? Let's kick some Star Wars butt. Let's kick some Stormtrooper butt. Up there's Ben.
yeah.
Yeah, you can like see under his mask. It's totally him. lost one of them dancing. Can we keep that one? Don't destroy the one that's dancing. It's having a good time. It's not.
Do a move on him.
Stop dancing! Button jamming! I'm a wizard! Now your turn. Teamwork! Why do you always have to do this?
I was a pro that time.
Yeah. You were Star Wars Jedi. Dang it. Where's Finn? I don't want to be here. We have to.
Oh, I have to. You have to have a gun. How do I shoot?
We're unlocking so many achievements right now.
If you unhold LT, you go down for cover. And then you're like auto lock.
Destroying these guys. Two more. One more. This guy right here. I don't remember she helps it that much. X. You can aim for it. Blowing it up. Yeah! We just destroyed that thing. Oh yeah, let's destroy some rebellion butt. Oh. Let's get him unstuck. What? I didn't want to destroy him. I wanted to help him. Where's FN?
Look at this takedown move I can do. I can smash the ground.
Oh, it's me. I think I have to do all the easy things like button jamming. No, thank you. What? I'm gonna button jamming while getting shot.
Look at this BB-8 move.
Take his mask off. That's you. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! You destroyed it? Oh, you got it?
I did something.
Flame trooper.
Cheers.
Yeah, pure fire. need Chewbacca.
Free play.
Yeah. Oh wait, yeah, I'm trying to stay.
I got something to build over here.
Yeah. In the last episode, I was able to have the Force, and everything was super cool. Can we go in that hole? We just built something freaking awesome, right? Yeah. I think FN is right there. Wait, we gotta jump on this. Can you break that thing now? Yeah. Now I get to build it right there. Read. Yeah, you did. Now you gotta break it. No, push it out the way. No, the other way.
I'm trying.
Now, you gotta rebuild it on the other thing. This thing.
Oh.
Oh, wait. We're doing this wrong. No, you press. Now you do that thing. Be a pro again.
No.
That's what we were trying to do.
Want to save some lives.
And hopefully find FN. Oh no!
Not Kylo.
Not Kylo Ren!
We're all done for.
And there's FN. Dog whale. Bye.
Submit your blaster for inspection.
That's his blaster? You know what we just did?
What?
You wanna know what? I was kind of mad at that guy.
Because it's the end of the episode.
That's exactly it. You said my words. See you guys back another time. If you like this video, make sure you go shoot that like button. And if you haven't yet, make sure to go subscribe for another episode of Star Wars Lego Force Awakens. This is your Madman and Rooster.
Hello. Or goodbye. Whatever.
Goodbye for Rooster. Rooster, say goodbye. See you guys next time. This is your Madman signing